Good morning guys. In this video, I'm going to show you another application kung saan you can check your spelling, especially if your grammar is correct. Kasi this will help especially for those students who want to know if tama ba yung ginagamit nila na spelling ng grammar sa mga research nila or mga assignment nila sa English. Mag-auto-correct sa mga ginagamit mo na especially if you're using the English na language in your sentences. So first is you need to download this application. Ano po kayo sa Play Store ninyo. So you can search mo lang po Grammarly. And then sa akin kasi is na-download ko na po yung application. So after you download that application, so it's our Grammarly, so you can open that one and then you can automatic kasi siya you can use, or if you don't want to download the app, search nyo lang po sa Google yung website nila or just input yung website nila, grammarly.com. So after that one, you can sign up. It's actually free for you to sign up. Check natin, you're using your phone or if you're using your computer or yung dalawa. So just click continue if you're using your phone or tablet, then create your account if you don't have any account. So you have the options to three options to sign up. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with Apple. So we're going to sign up with my Google account. So just actually use yung kung anong Google account yung pipiliin nyo. We're going to use this one. So i-click nyo lang yung account na gamitin nyo. After that one, check natin. So to use Grammarly in your mobile, install Grammarly keyboard. So you just want to upgrade. So yung sa akin kasi is naka-install na siya. So kailangan nyo pa rin i-download yung application pala. So nagamit kasi natin is yung cellphone. So open natin and this is the Grammarly application. So yung keyboard nila, sa keyboard nila i-click nyo po yung case sensitive layout. So case sensitive layout kasi automatic kasi ito auto-correct your spelling and grammar if naka case sensitive layout na po yung keyboard ni Grammarly. So check natin if we're going to use yung notepad ko sa cellphone ko. Okay, so you can see here na nandito na yung si Grammarly, yun yung application nila. So for example, I'm going to write a sentence here. So introduction of myself, yung automatic na I'm na may apostrophe is pinuna ni Grammarly. Magamay. So for example, yung grammar natin is so I live, lagyan natin ng S. So I lives in. Alright, so tingnan nyo yung mali ng grammar. First, that's just a live. So may nilagyan ko lang ng S. So nadidetect agad ni Grammarly na mali yung paggamit natin ng grammar with using the use of S kasi it's plural, or using the word na I. So just click here kasi it will again i-check ni Grammarly if you're using the right grammar. So sa name pa lang application Grammarly. So dito magpa-pop up yung mga correction niya. So check. click mo lang yan para matama ni Grammarly yung paggamit mo ng tamang words. I live in Subugon, Miss, or for example, small letter gamitin natin. Tingnan natin yung mga sa Miss Occidental. Alright, so again, I'm using small letter sa isang lugar. So, check niya dapat capital letter yung gamitin natin. So, click mo lang to. Same with yung name ng province natin. So, hindi siya capital. So, click mo lang yan. I have yung kids natin. Mali, their names. Check lang natin ha. So, kahit mali yung mga ginagamit ko para ma-auto-check nila. Their names are Gian. Okay, so again, yung spelling, yung capitalization natin is mali kasi ng person. So, must be capital letter sa first word niya. So, just click here and then, so now to change the Grammarly. And then, in terms of punctuation or comma, so after word ng long, so mas kailangan pang lagyan ng comma. So, okay na. Their names are three kids. So diba? Three kids. Their name. So, kulang sa Grammarly. And their names are, okay. So again, that's how you're going to use Grammarly. You can download that one sa App Store, or you can use this one using your Google internet connection. But again, tingnan natin. So tinanggal ko yung Wi-Fi ko to check if you can still use this one kahit online. So makikita mo naman dito na naka-X yung internet connection niya. Example lang yan. To eat. So, sa notepad kasi ito. So, hindi na na-check ni Grammarly, but if we're going to use natin sa messenger, search ko yung pangalan ko. Okay. So, again, hindi pa rin yan na-auto correct. Pag walang internet connection, so you need to have internet connection para ma-check or ma-correct ni Grammarly na mali yung grammar or spelling or any basic in English constructing your sentences. So dapat may internet connections. That's it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope nakatulong ang app na to, especially for those students and learners who want to check or want to use this application sa cellphone ninyo. At least, pag submit nyo kay teacher, tama yung grammar na ginamit mo. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.